Hello children, today we are going to study class 5 science. We are dealing chapter 6 and today you have to turn the pages of your textbook to page number 62 and today we are going to deal with the topic composition of air. So air is a mixture of gases. As you know that different types of gases are present in the air: carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, so the major portion, as you can see in this diagram, the major portion of the air is comprising of nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is present in the atmosphere 78%. So major portion is being occupied by nitrogen. Oxygen 21% and 1% other gases. For example, carbon dioxide, water vapors and other kinds of gases. Okay, so from this diagrammatic representation of composition of air, it is very clear that major portion is being occupied by nitrogen, that is 78%. Oxygen is 21% and 1% other gases. Okay, amount of water vapor is also found in the air and that is known as humidity. Okay, for example, in the rainy season we say is now it's the weather is too humid. It's highly humid, has the highest humidity. What does it means? And we say that everything get very easily, what you say, degraded in the rainy season. Why? Because there is so much of humidity and these microorganisms can grow to their maximum in the highly humid kind of weather. That's why the things during the rainy seasons get spoiled very easily, quickly. Okay, now warm and the fresh air. So all of you know what is fresh air. Okay, although in Ranchi almost where the pollution concentration is not that much high, leaving the very highly populated areas. So why so? Because it's not the industrial belt. Industrial belt because in the sense that Ranchi doesn't have large number of industries. Okay, so what is happening in a way or other? It helps to control the pollution, the amount of pollutant. Okay, it means harmful gases or harmful substances that degrade the climate temperature is not present in air, although we are living in a very safe environment. But still, what is happening with the with as the time as we are progressing, the pollution is also increasing and that is a lot affecting the air, the quality of air. Okay, so air is warm. It's not that it's warm only in summer season. Okay, it is warm because of the weather also. Okay, when in the morning when you just come to school by bus, you will feel the fresh breeze, fresh air. Okay, but when you just go back, you might have noticed this now, when you just go back from the school to your homes, you feel warm, very you don't have nice feeling. This warm in air is not because of the summer season. Even this kind of feeling you can have in the winter also. So this is because of the warm air. This was the difference in the warmth. Okay, so when you are just driving, when you just visit some very forest area, okay, so you feel so nice, so fresh. But when you just go through Ranchi main town, what happened? You feel so warm, so polluted, not at all good feeling comes now. That is because of the pollution, because so much of vehicles are running, so much different kind of pollutant is being released in the atmosphere, and that's why the atmosphere is very unpleasant, kind of not suiting you peoples. Okay, so what is happening? We should so this air also get warm because of presence of this pollutants. Okay, so when we breathe this polluted air, what is going to happen? It is going to help our health. We won't be so healthy. Okay, so we should spend time in the fresh air. We should do exercise, walking in the fresh air, especially in the morning hours. Okay, and this will help you to improve your concentration also. Those who are not able to concentrate properly, or those who want to study better, you should open the windows of your room in the morning, start studying. Fresh air will come and you will be able to concentrate well, you will be able to focus well. Okay, So you can uh, have everything. Okay, so you should eat nice food, clean water, do exercise, try to be in fresh air, sunshine, and then you are going to be healthy. Okay, so those people who just live very close to the nature, they are maximum chances that they will be healthy. Okay, so you should try to follow a very good lifestyle so that you can be healthy for long time and you are not being caught by the different kind of diseases. Now when the smoke combined with the fog, okay, it's formed the smog. Now wind, breeze and storm. When you just sit on the bike, what happened? You will feel so much of air just coming to your face now. That is wind. The moving air is called wind. Okay, and because of wind only you are able to fly the kites. Okay, you can see in the sky now the clouds. You feel as clouds are moving. How come the clouds are moving? It's moving because of the wind. Okay, the boats sail in the rivers. Okay, so why? Because of the wind. You must have noticed that when these sailors, they just come to the seas or boats, they just listen to the weather forecasting. Okay, so why so? Because they want to predict the wind will be flowing in which direction and at what velocity. What are the weather conditions? Will it be favorable or not? Okay, now when the wind blows gently and smoothly, that wind is known as breeze. Okay, very soothing kind of. Now when very strong wind blows fast, that is known as the storm, and these storm create a lot of disasters. Sometimes the buildings are damaged. Okay, the trees are uprooted and the crops are damaged because of these storms. These storms affect the plant, animals, human beings, everyone. Okay, and you can just see in the pictures now, 3 pictures of wind, breeze and storm is given. The concept will be more clear after viewing this figure. Now next title is need for ventilation in windows. What's happening? Earlier we used to make earlier in every house a lot of windows were there. People used to just put so much of windows, ventilators, but because as we are moving toward the modernizations, the gaps between the houses had decreased. If we give windows in our houses, ventilators in houses, because of privacy reasons, we prefer to keep them close. Okay, but it's not a healthy habit. Okay, we should keep open our ventilators, windows, and at least in the morning hours. Then what is going to happen? The fresh air will be there. Okay, earlier people did not, they use least, because at such not any inventions were there of electrical appliance like cooler, AC, fans. Then people used to cool themselves in the natural air. Okay, but as we are moving toward the modernization, technology has developed so much that we prefer to use these appliances instead of opening our windows and ventilators. But children, it's not a good habit. We should try to be in the fresh air as much as we can, because it helps us to remain healthy. Okay, so you should try to be in sunshine, try to inhale the fresh air. Okay, keep your houses windows open, don't keep everything closed and compact. Okay, it's not a good habit, and try to use the least these fans, coolers, ACs. Okay, because they are not very good, it's not a very good practice. Okay, if you just observe this very thing. Just get up in the morning, keep your windows open and study in that very hours. You will be able to concentrate the more, as compared to the night time when everything is closed. Okay, and you're sitting in a room reading under the tube lights or bulbs. You find that there is a vast difference. In the morning, when the fresh air is breathing, when the natural light is there, you will be able to study well, you will be able to concentrate well. So you can practice it, you can feel it, you can observe these very things in your life, and try to be as natural as you can, and try to use the natural sources to the best. Okay, because there is no alternative of the nature. Any natural thing, the nature's is the best. Okay, so Thank you, children.